Yo! What is up, guys? Nick Nakai here. Let's Drift Media. Thank you guys for coming back to the channel. Today's episode, we are going to unbox my new age garage cabinetry. You guys know I've been talking about these for a while now since I ordered them so long ago, but they finally got here the other day. Kind of talked about it in my previous video, but I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox it and possibly mount them on this wall. But I'm just gonna kind of stack them up and see how they're gonna look. And then we'll see if we get to actually installing them and bolting them to the wall today. Since we have this wall outlet here, I'm probably gonna have to cut out a little slot in the back of one of the cabinets so I can still use this plug because I need to have it. But the rest of this wall, everything should be easy peasy. Hopefully I could find the studs pretty easily and we could get these things pretty secured. Yeah, pretty excited to see what these look like. I am gonna sit them on top of the curb. They're not gonna sit on the floor, that way they're flush against the wall. So yeah, let's get started with the unboxing, guys. Alright, well, a lot of cardboard later and styrofoam. We got them pretty much mocked up how I think I'm going to put them. I got the steel top right here, and we got this backsplash right here. These three cabinets most likely are going to sit up higher. That way you have like a little workspace and you put the workbench over. But these right now are sitting on the floor. I'm still debating if I'm going to put them up on the brick so they sit flush against the wall, or if I'm just going to mount them like this and have that gap in the back. There's even the possibility that I could always put these top three cabinets somewhere else, maybe on this wall or over my toolbox, if I wanted to do that. So, gonna have to decide what I want to do. But overall, it's pretty nice packaging. A lot of the cabinets were stored inside the bigger cabinets. That's why you saw it was only three boxes, but they really try and pack everything in there. So over here we got the 3 shelves that'll go inside these. But overall, so far, pretty satisfied. Can't wait to have them mounted all the way how I want it. Construction's decent for the price. All locking cabinets, which I don't think I'll be using the lock since it's for at home, but pretty cool, guys. Pretty cool. Alright, so came to realize that these 2 outside little drawer cabinets, those are not supposed to be mounted to the walls. They're supposed to just be mounted with these wheels. So I think what I'm going to do is just leave those on the wheels so I can still pull them out and actually use the sides like a bench, so I can put a stool under there and stuff. But the rest of them, I'm gonna mount them to the wall, including these upper ones, and just have it like the setup that they sent it to me. The only problem right now is since I got these plugs right behind this cabinet, I'm gonna have to wait, get my grinder, cut out a little square so that way those plugs could still stay in. But I am gonna mount these side cabinets, as well as the middle cabinet, and that side cabinet, and the 3 lockers on the top. That way it's all just flush against the wall. It gives me a little bit more space. It's probably like 4 or 5 inches more clearance, so when I do have another car in here. But yeah, don't think I'm gonna get to mounting these today. I'm gonna need a little bit more manpower to get these up. Have someone help me hold them up and then get the stud finder, figure out where the studs are. So that's all I got for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace!
Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that say stick up. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flick up.